Hello students, myself Dipti Chapaneria from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, and today we are going to learn our Unit 5 lesson, The Yellow Butterfly. So students, let's get started. The Yellow Butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now there it is a story of a yellow butterfly. And yellow butterfly flew in Sonu's garden. Sonu is a boy in the lesson, in the story. So here Sonu sees that butterfly in his garden and he tried to catch it. But butterfly flew onto the rose bed. Rose bed means specialized planted roses. That is rose bed. Then now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, and still closer. But then, off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. Now, very first, Sonu sees a butterfly in his garden. Then he tries to catch it. But butterfly flew all around. So first butterfly flew on the rose bed. Then after that it flew to the pond on the lotus leaves that grew round leaves around the lotus. Then it flew towards the lotus leaves. Then next the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Now here's Sonu tried to catch the butterfly and he jumped into the pond. But what happens? Off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Now, from the lotus leaf, butterfly flew to the peach tree, where on the tree it had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on the pretty flowers. Then, I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Now, again, Sonu climbed up the tree to catch the butterfly. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Then Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly! In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. You can see in the picture that there is a big spider's web where there is a middle. In the middle there is a big spider. It looks hungry. Then it wanted to catch the butterfly, closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty, and as the Sonu caught the butterfly, he realizes that it is so pretty. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Now, again, firstly, the butterfly caught in the spider's web, so it was already sad, and then from there Sonu caught the butterfly, so again butterfly became so sad. But here Sonu wanted butterfly to be happy, so he let it go. He decided to let it go. Now, moving ahead, "Go," said Sonu, "fly away." Here, Sonu said to the butterfly that "Go," said Sonu, "fly away, go, fly away." Then he let the go butterfly. It sat on the red rose. Then from there again butterfly had started its journey. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So, students, these were all about the story, the yellow butterfly. So now, students, let's look at the new words with meanings and sentences. First, escape means to get away. Sentence: a thief escaped with all the money from the house. Second, pond means a small body of still water. Sentence: lotus flowers grow in pond. Next, peach, a yellow juicy fruit. Sentence: peach is my favorite fruit. Next, climb, to go upward. Sentence: a little boy climbed up the tree. Next is number 5. Catch means to hold something that has been thrown. And the sentence is: the boys could catch the ball easily. Sixth, middle, meaning at an equal distance from all the points. Sentence: there was a hole in the middle of the table. Next, hungry, feeling need for food. Sentence: SpongeBob was very hungry. Next, float, move on the surface of a liquid. Sentence: the wooden log was floating in the river. Next is shout, to call out loudly. Sentence: children were shouting while playing. Chase, to catch up. Sentence: the policeman started to chase the thief. 11. Flutter, to flap the wings quickly. And the sentence is: the bird was fluttering. And the last is twist, means to rotate around a fixed point. Sentence: the girl twisted while dancing. So students, this was all about the lesson, the yellow butterfly. Hope all of you have enjoyed it.